Hello and welcome back to lesson about colors and web. One of the most important aspects of any design is its colors. Designers create the style of site as well as the movement it makes, the emotion it creates, and its purpose, based largely upon the color choices they make. Colors are powerful tools and an important thing all designers should understand when creating websites. Many of you may have learned some color basics in school, but let's quickly review some terminology in order to get a better grasp on colors and how to use them. We will start with primary colors. Primary colors form the basis for all other shades. Humans perceive three base colors: red, green, and blue. Every other color we see consists of a combination of these three colors in varying amounts, brightness, tints, and shades. On the web, we use RGB, red, green, blue, and hex values to represent colors. The RGB color system defines all colors as a combination of three different values: a particular shade of red, another of green, and another of blue. So, RGB 59, 89, 145 equals Facebook blue. RGB 000 equals black. RGB 255, 255, 255 equals white. Next to RGB representation of colors on web, a common use has also found hexadecimal representation. Hexadecimal code is made from 3-byte hexadecimal numbers and they consist of 6 digits. Each byte or pair of characters in the hex code representing the intensity of red, green, and blue in the color respectively. Hex code byte values range from 00, which is the lowest intensity of color, to FF, which represents the highest intensity. The color white, for example, is made by mixing each of the three primary colors at their full intensity, resulting in the hex color code of #FFF. Black, the absence of any color on a screen display, is the complete opposite, with each color displayed at their lowest possible intensity and a hex color code of #000000. Now, when we have explained what are primary colors and how are they being represented, we are going to pass to the psychology of colors. It is known that different colors provoke different emotions in humans, which means they have significant impact on people. When deciding a website color scheme, remember to be mindful of color psychology and the effect color can have on the emotions of your site visitors. While it's not a requirement to follow the rules of color psychology, it can help you focus on the message and the feeling you want your site to convey. It is common to hear clients say like, "I really like baby blue and I want to use it on my website." Baby blue is a beautiful color, but if you're designing a website for a masculine tool company, it may not be the best fit. We will shortly go through the emotions caused by certain colors. Let's start with red. Red symbolizes fire and power and is associated with passion and importance. It also helps to stimulate energy and excitement. The negative connotations of red are rage, emergency, and anger, which stem from the passionate and aggressive qualities of red. Orange is a combination of its two neighbors on the color wheel, red and yellow. Orange symbolizes happiness, joy, and sunshine. It is a cheerful color, evoking childlike exuberance. Orange is not as aggressive as red, but takes on some of the same qualities, stimulating mental activity. It also symbolizes ignorance and deceit. Bright yellow is a happy color, representing the positive yellow qualities: joy, intelligence, brightness, energy, optimism, and happiness. A dingy yellow brings about negative feelings: caution, criticism, laziness, and jealousy. Green symbolizes nature and has a healing quality. It can be used to symbolize growth and harmony. People feel safe with green. Hospitals often use the color of green. On the other hand, green is symbolic of money, showing greed or jealousy. It can also be used to symbolize a lack of experience or a beginner in need of growth. Green behind the ears. Blue is a peaceful and calming color, exuding stability and expertise. It is a common color used in corporate sites because of this. Blue can also symbolize trust and dependability. A cool shade can bring about the negative side of blue, symbolizing depression, coldness, and passiveness. Purple is the color of royalty and sophistication, showing wealth and luxury. It also gives a sense of spirituality and encourages creativity. Brighter purples can exude a magical feeling. It's also great for promoting creativity and feminine qualities. Darker purples can conjure gloominess and sadness. Although black is not a part of the color wheel, it can still be used to suggest feeling and its meaning. It is often correlated with power, elegance, sophistication, and depth. It is said that wearing black on a job interview can show that the interviewee is a powerful individual, and the same goes with websites. Black can also be seen negatively because the color is associated with death, mystery, and the unknown. It is the color of grief, mourning, and sorrow, so it must be used wisely. White symbolizes purity and innocence. It also shows cleanness and safety. Conversely, white can be seen as cold and distant, symbolizing winter's harsh and bitter qualities. Here, it is important to emphasize that color meanings can vary dramatically across cultures and regions. The previous descriptions hold mostly for the Western civilization. Okay, we have talked theoretically about colors. Let's show you a couple of web tools that are going to help us choose cool colors that go well together. First, we're going to choose the color we like, and then we will find colors that go well with it. To choose a color, let's first go to Google. Now we are going to load the flatUIcolors.com site. We will choose some of given color palettes. We won't be searching too much, so let's choose the first palette, Flat UI Palette V1. Let's say we like the alizarin color. We will click on it to copy it. This way we have found the color we like. Let's go on site colors.co now. In menu bar we are going to choose Generate. We will choose the left color, and with mouse we're gonna select hex code colors. On that place we are going to paste the color we have chosen the moment before. If you are using Windows, press Ctrl+V. That way we have chosen our color. If we want to, we can change shades of our color. Click on Alternative Shades and you will get shades of the selected color. You have to choose one. When you choose a color, you lock it on the padlock. Okay, the chosen color is safe. Clicking on space on your keyboard, the color range is changing. With it, we get different colors that go well with our color. For every new color, you can choose shades or lock it so it stays unchanged. And then you keep on looking for other colors that go well with those two you have chosen. Search for yourself more about this site. In menu, next to Generate, there is Explore button. You can also choose colors you like there. Maybe you don't even need the first site we have showed you, but explore for yourself more in details. Okay, we have shown you how to choose the primary color for a modern site and also how to find colors that go well with it. That is about colors for now. More details about colors we are going to see practically through our projects. See you soon in next lesson.